Later this morning, some of the people charged in that illegal marijuana growing operation and conspiracy are scheduled to be back in court. You might remember it all began last year with an FBI raid at the narrow gauge distributors in Farmington. Our Alex Haskell has details now on what we can expect in this case. Good morning, Alex.
Hey, good morning. According to court documents, the conspiracy involved thousands of pounds of pot, millions of dollars in cash, and public officials who allegedly abused their power to get information on the investigation. So here are the names of the 11 out of 12 defendants who will be arraigned in U.S. District Court in Bangor over Zoom this morning. The list includes Lucas Sirois. He's the alleged leader of the criminal organization. Right now, Sirois is out on bail. So according to the complaint filed after last year's raid in Farmington that you're seeing right here, Sirois reportedly used his drug money to corrupt members of local law enforcement and town government. Sirois is expected to plead not guilty today. Now, one of his attorneys, Timothy Parlatore, also told me what he believes will happen next in this case after today's arraignment. Parlatore says the government is required to provide the defense with evidence they've collected against them. Then motions are filed based on that evidence.
There may be some things off the normal track where we're intending to file a motion relatively early on for an injunction. The Department of Justice is not allowed to expend any funds in the prosecution of anybody who is acting in accordance with state medical marijuana laws. If we're able to show, as I expect that we will, that everything Mr. Sirois did was in accordance with Maine state law, then the prosecution will be enjoined and the case will end at that point.
So arraignments are set to begin at 8:30 this morning, and we'll of course keep you updated on what happens in court throughout the day and later this evening. Alex Haskell, News Center, Maine.